Hello Fragheads, gawa lang tayong short review dito sa Frayed Decatria. To me, this is a clean, musky, ambery na scent, and with a small amount ng citrus sa skin ko, given your skin is moisturized. This is a close encounter na perfume, pang Netflix and chill with your significant other. So, this is very clean. This is also office friendly. And actually, pwede nyo itong i-layer sa ibang fragrances. If you have Instant Crush or may DNA ng Herbapura, mga ganyan. Mga sweet, mga fruity. Pwede ito eh. But, as a fragrance itself, standalone, if you're into clean fragrances na close encounter, then this is perfect. But don't get me wrong, close encounter, but this has projection and this has longevity. Sa skin ko, of course, dapat moisturized yung skin nyo para mas nagtatagal yung scent. It projects for about 1.5 hours sa skin ko, and longevity, 5 to 6 hours sa akin to. So, but you can, if you smell on your skin, it will, you can still smell it. Abot to ng hanggang 8 hours. So, try nyo to guys. Frayed Decatria. And this is their take on Another 13.